안녕하십니까. 수업 실연을 시작하겠습니다. Alright, my lovely students. Yes, with all these lesson objectives, 3 objectives, we're ready to dive into our fun and environmental friendly English class. Alright, then let's check today's unit title again. Please call it loudly. What is it? Small actions for our better what? Brilliant means it Earth. There you go. Okay. And class, today, let's start today's lesson with our new reading activity and think about how to make our Earth better. Good. So, please turn to the page 71. Have you found the reading material? Right, then, to help you out, understand the reading material better, let's think about these first. Click. Okay. What can you see in the reading material? In the screen? Right, there is our school recycling area. What can you see? Here, Minjong, what can you see? Right, okay. In can recycle bin. What's the problem can you find? Something mixed and what is it, Minje? Oh, 2 dirty plastics in a plastic bin. Like that, our recycling habits are like this. So how do you think? Do you think we are recycling properly, or is there anything we need to improve? We need some improvement. Alright then, let's learn how to do it with our reading activity, okay? Firstly, let's read for the main idea, okay? And to help you out find main idea, today's hint is today's unit title, lesson reading materials title. What is it? It says, let's recycle properly. Brilliant. So based on that, you will find the main idea. And let's fill this blank, okay? We can recycle blah blah with 2 other blanks, okay? Alright, then I will give you 5 minutes to find the main idea and fill the blanks, okay? Let's go. Alright, time's up everyone. Now let's check what you find out. So, how can you fill these blanks? Who want to try? 동진, what is it? We can, you said recycle properly. That sounds good. And what about which part? Okay, 동수, that's fine. Then who wants to add on what 동수 found? Yes, 수동, what is it? We can recycle properly with, that's brilliant. Small actions. Wow, you find out that. So now we have found out that the main idea is we need to recycle properly with some small actions. Alright, then let's move on to today's second reading. But before that, yes, let's learn some new words first to understand reading material better, right? So, class, if you find any word you want to learn, just call me. Minjong, you want to learn recyclable, okay? And Choyeon, what is it? Oh, you said you want to learn, stain, right? And who else? Chohee, you want to learn remove, alright. That's good words. Alright, let's learn those words. And we all learn these 2 words and start remove. And for remove, let me show you some action. I have created my interesting emoticon, but you know what? I don't like it so much, so let me remove it. So, is there any guesses of meaning of remove? There's no emoticon at all now. Okay, Jungmin, what is it? Oh, it sounds a little like erase. And what happens if you erase something? Oh, it disappears. Brilliant, Jungmin. Like Jungmin said, everyone, remove means make something disappear. Appear. Brilliant. So class, now we all learned the new words and we are prepared for second reading. For the second reading, let me give the material first. And we will have interesting group work. Okay, very good. And can you find this table? Right there. And what does it say? Aha, problem. And what's on the right side? Aha, it says solution. Alright then. So can you guess what you will do now? Right there, you will find our problems related to our recycling habits. What do we find? Problem about recycling. And then what do we do? Find the solutions for it. Alright? But as this is a pair work, this is your role. Let me give you a role. Students A, you will take charge of problem. Students A means students on this side between your partners. Raise your hand. Yes, you do. Yes, it's yours. And students B, you will take charge of solutions. Students on this side. Brilliant. Now you will find 4 problems and solutions. Okay? I will give you 5 minutes to read again, 3 minutes to read again, and let's go. Okay, class, now we are ready to fill in this blank with your partners. So have you find out the problems and solution? Good. Then now it's time to share each other's idea and complete this table. I will give you another 5 minutes and feel free to go back to the reading material every time you need. You can go back to it, alright? Let's go. Okay, what's the problem? Oh, you two pair, Minsu and Sumin. Aha. Oh, that's okay. You need problem solution together. And you have, oh, that's good way. You can share your ideas. Just go ahead. Okay, time's up, everyone. Eyes to the front. Let's check what you find out. So, what is the problem? First problem. Aha, who wants to try? Sumin and Minsu, what is it? Okay. It's about the rings. What happens to the rings? We don't rinse off at all. Oh, that's right. And how can we fix this problem? Sumin, we need rinse them off. Brilliant. Like that. Any other pairs want to try second problem? Alright, very good. Class, now we all check all the details of reading material. So now we know how to recycle properly. But class, before we move on, do you want to know how actually you're recycling? Alright then, let's move on to our survey activity as our lesson objective tells us. So for this survey activity, we will have a whole class work. Good. And for this activity, let me give you worksheet first. Have you got your worksheet? Let me see. Brilliant. And let's check the questions. So, can you find all the questions? Right, how many questions are there? 3. But number 4, what should we do? Yes, you need to create one question by yourself on your own, okay? So, we will have 4 questions all after, okay? I will give you 3 minutes to come about, 5 minutes to think about one question. Go. Yes, you can refer to the reading material. Feel free. Okay, class, have you made good questions? Very good. Now, let me tell you how to interview, have a survey for each other. Okay, good. So, we will have an interviewer and you will have an interviewee today. Okay, so let me show you how to do this activity. So, interviewer's role. Interviewer will say like this. How many times do you and your question among 10 times? This is your question, okay? Brilliant. So, who want to help me out? One volunteer? Okay. Jongsu, thank you. So, please ask me this question. Use first question. How many times do you rinse off among 10 times? Let me answer. I always rinse off them. So, then where do you check? I do 10 times among 10. Then where do you check? Yes, you check always. Alright, so interviewer asks question and then you will check. And when you check, what expressions do we use? Do you remember our previous lesson? Right, brilliant. You will use the frequency adverb for that, like always, seldom, often, never. Brilliant. And what is interviewee's role? Yes, interviewees, you will answer like I do blah blah times. Good. So we will have 5 interviews for each student. How many? 5. So please stand up and look, match your partner. Have you met your partners? Good. Then let's have first cycle. And let's go. Okay. Oh, you can use seldom for this case. Oh, it's hard to decide seldom between often. What do you think, Sujong? Oh, often. Go ahead. Now, class, let's say goodbye to first interviewer and meet again. Go. Alright. Oh, you have the same partners. And then who else have the same partners? You two. Then you can switch your partners. Alright, time's up, everyone. Now, have you got all the results? Very good. And before we move on to our writing, let's check our reflection time, our language reflection time. During your activity, I have noticed your use of infrequent adverb very correct. For example, you used never for 0 time and seldom for 1 or 2. That was brilliant. Try and was correct. And here's one minor thing to think about. I have noticed like this. I rinse off never or drinks. So what's the problem? What mistake can you find here? Yes, it's a little minor thing, but yes, let's make it even better. It's about the position of never. Yes, it doesn't go between rinse and drink, but it should go, yes, I never rinse off. In front of the action words, okay, the verb. Alright, other than that, it was good. Then, let's practice one more time. I never rinse off drinks. Good. And class, now we all have the result right. Based on that, let's have a writing activity. And this writing activity is your individual work. Alright? No, it's group work. So let's make group first. Group work. Okay, over there and here. Good. And here is a guideline for writing. And let me give you the guideline using my model. So click. This is my result, my suggestion letter for our better recycling. Okay, so what can you see in the model writing? First one, yes, let's check how many sentences are there. 5 sentences. So first guideline, you will include 5 sentences. Great. And then, what else can you find? How does it start with? Right, it shows us problem. Problem first, then what does it suggest? Yes, problem, then solution. Brilliant. And this problem, look for again. When you describe the problem, what did I use? Right there, you will use survey results. Brilliant. For example, I said like, among 20 students never rinse off water drink. And class, what is my solution then? It says right there, I suggest we need to install a water tap in our recycling area. Okay, you will follow this guideline and you need some group roles. And let me assign leader first. Okay, pen writers, good. And now language checkers, good. Okay, now let's have a reading activity, writing. But let me give you one more thing. When you discuss survey results, let's use frequency adverb more than one time. Okay, very good. Let's go. 네, 수업 실연 마치겠습니다. 들어주셔서 감사합니다.